Hi, this is your Project Insight home screen. It's designed to keep all of your work information all in one place. First thing in the morning, you can check all the work that you're supposed to do for the day by clicking on your work list. I'm supposed to go ahead and start this customer admin training. So now I'm back to update a status. I need to let my project manager know that it's started. Maybe I would want to add time or not, either in that particular box or down here in the time tab, based on my time policies, of course. And now I'll get to work on what I need to do here. Maybe I need to leave a comment. Maybe I'd like to add an attachment, either from these file formats or just by drag and drop. It's that easy. And then when I'm all set with this task, I can go back to the work list and get started on something else. Maybe this on-site installation. Okay, so now let's pretend that it's the end of the day, and I just want to mark that I'm almost done with this particular task. I haven't quite finished it yet, but I do want to say that I worked for 4 hours on it. That way, when I come back in the morning, I'll know where I left off and that I was almost done. The home screen isn't the only place that I can update my information. Maybe I want to add time all at once. So I can take a look at my time home screen to see all the time that I've entered for this week. I can submit a timesheet and even submit past timesheets if I haven't been caught up. But let's go to the time entry grid. From the time entry grid, I can add all of my time for the week all in one page. I can even add projects and tasks to the list if, say, I help someone else out and I wasn't actually assigned to do the work. I can also submit my timesheet from this page per my company's timesheet policies. Anywhere in Project Insight that I see a hyperlink, I can click on it and go to the item detail page. From here, I can review the comments that have been made, what status the task is in, and even add related items. That way, anyone who's looking at this task can see the related items and help collaborate on them. Whenever I need to see what's next on my list, I can always go back to the home screen or the work list and see if anything new has been added to my list of tasks to complete. And that's it for navigating through Project Insight. We hope this guide helps make the most of this powerful tool for you and your team. Thanks for watching.